Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how we can replace this HP Pavilion P7 motherboard. There are indeed different models in these type. The first thing you need to do, you need to remove the screw at the back. You want to apply some pressure like this. Take off the side. So now I am going to show you how to remove the board. So in removing this motherboard, make sure you have the identical board. As you can see, this will be going down this way. It's identical, so make sure to get the identical board. Then you need to remove all the screws. So let's remove the screws. Unplug the power supply wires. So let's go ahead. Then you can remove the fan. Yes guys, I am doing this video because the video that I did, it got deleted with me installing the motherboard and the different wires. So I am giving you a quick rundown as to how to insert the different wires. So let's start with the main power supply wires. The main wire will go here for your power supply, followed by the other wire here, the 5 volts. You will have to replace your memory here and make sure you have your CMOS battery here. You want to make sure as well that you have your wireless card plugged in right here. There's a screw here, so you will screw down your wireless card right here. So our Wi-Fi card will be here. Port right here is for the panel. There are some USB ports and so forth on the panel. There's a wire coming from the panel, the front panel. This is it. Also we have the main hard drive here. So this is the main hard drive, and then we will have any other drives like external drives, and also we can use the CD drive here. So these are the SATA ports here. Also there's another port which have about 9 pins. It's right here. This is the power button here. You can see the pins there. So that's the power button here. You will need to plug in the power button port here. There is no pin at one of the side. Also you will see the yellow to yellow wire. You plug that here. There is a wire as well that have only one side, so it's like only this side. You have to plug that in there. You will see what I'm talking about. And then there are the USB wires. So you can see USB 1, USB 2 and USB 3. So this is how you go about reconnecting your motherboard. I do apologize guys, I accidentally deleted the video that I did demonstrating and replugging all the wires, identifying them guys. I deleted the video accidentally, so the computer is gone. So I only have the old motherboard that I can redo this part of the video. And don't forget your fan. There is 2 fans. There's one that sits on the processor here. You need to plug that fan here, as you can see, and there's another fan at the back above the ports at the back here. So I'm just about to turn on the HP Pavilion. You can see that everything here is working perfectly.